So right here, this is an amputation. As you can see it bleeding here, sweetie? So when you see bleeding like that and it's going at a certain pace, that's your heart. Where's your heart? Tell me. Good. Your heart beats. So every time your heart beats, that's what's coming out. So do we want this blood to stay in the body or to come out of the body? What do you think? Good job. So the way we keep this blood in is this thing is called a tourniquet. And we have to put this tourniquet around the leg, above where what's coming out, the blood, right? So we go above the leg, and I want to pull this tourniquet really tight. You see this, me pulling here? See that? You pull it really tight. So I put that on, and then I'm going to turn this guy. See this guy here? This is the rod. We want to turn it. We want to turn it until that stops bleeding. So let's see if it's still bleeding. Yeah, is it bleeding? Should I keep turning it? So I'm going to keep turning it. Say, keep turning it. You got it. And I'm going to try again. Is it still bleeding? No more. So now I'm going to put it in this thing here. I'm going to put that strap all the way around. Okay. And then you see this guy here? What does that word say? Can you read backwards, upside down? So it's time. So we now write the time because we want to leave this on for no more than 2 hours, or at least after 2 hours we have to do some special things at the hospital when we take it off. But this is how we use a tourniquet, okay? Knuckles? All right, good job.